Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So for today's video, it's gonna be a really quick unboxing, if it focuses. But basically, this is gonna be an AirPod case that oh my gosh, it took forever. Anyways, so it's gonna be this AirPod case that I just got from Amazon. The reason being because my current AirPod case, it broke. You could see the little loop on the end that you hang your AirPod case with. It ripped in half. So I was like, okay, why not, I guess, upgrade slash get a new one. And I've been looking at this one because I grew up with playing the Game Boy Color and it reminds me of it. So we're gonna get that on right now. It's very easy to open. It has a pull tab and you open it like this. It's a really small package, so just open it up. It's really easy. Probably okay, so you can see they separate it like this. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to come or if it's broken. This is actually concerning slightly. Let me see if anything's in there. Alright, so I think it is supposed to be two separate, I guess, pieces. But the good thing is they give you a little clip that goes on to this section. So let's get that on right now. That's really nice because none of the other AirPod cases I have gotten had this. So it's nice that it has it with the package. So I assume that the top piece is supposed to be just I don't know, it's kind of strange, but let's just swap it over. I have this case right now. It's just a simple black one, but I'll just get that out right now. The AirPod case might be dusty because it's been in there for a long time, but here is the plain AirPod case. And then let's try to wipe this off. Actually, let me get back to you once it's clean. It's clean now, so we're just gonna put it in its new case. And I will link this case. I'll link it in the description so that anyone interested in getting it can also get this case. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The fit's kind of strange actually, but I don't know. I thought it was cool because it does resemble a Game Boy Color. The only part that's different is this part, but they can't completely copy it because it's obviously patented. But yeah, it's a nice case. I like it. It gives you a little bit more style than the one I had before, because this one is just plain black, and it ripped, unfortunately, and that's the only reason why I bought this one. But I would say this is a really good case for those people who are very interested in games, in gaming, which I am, so I got this one instead. But I honestly think it's a really good case. It's kind of stylish, I guess, and it's just, I don't know, it's pretty cool. So that was the short little unboxing slash swap of the AirPod case. Let me know what kind of AirPod cases you guys use, but this one specifically is from Elago. See in the corner right here, it says Elago. It's for AirPods first and second gen, so yeah, anyone who has those ones can use it. And I believe it was like $8 or something, so not bad. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.